Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a beautiful example of one of our Defender 110s in stock. Now this car in particular is quite a special example because it is actually one of our ex-demonstrator vehicles. It's a Defender 110 D350, so the bigger of the 3-litre diesel engines, and it's the X-Dynamic HSE. So fantastic specification on this car, brilliant engine and beautiful colour as well, with the fact that it is Borasco Grey. Lots to talk about on this car, a couple of nice additional options, including the exterior black pack on the vehicle. So black lettering, black grille, of course it is an X-Dynamic, so we do get this nice high gloss black finishes as opposed to the a little bit of plastic that you can get on some of them. 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, arguably the best wheels that go on Defender. Front and rear classic mud flaps on this car, as well as fixed side steps, which aren't cheap accessories these days. Now we've got keyless entry, power folding wing mirrors, that nice accent of the 3D surround camera that does give us that nice bird's eye view when we do come to park the vehicle. Now if we're looking at the rear of the car, of course signature spare wheel on the rear, but this car, nice options. So, family pack. Now, what that does give us is the fact that we do have the 6th and 7th seats in the vehicle. So it is actually a 7-seater Defender 110, not something that you do see every day. Nice accessories featuring an electrically deployable towbar. So that has a 13-pin connector on it and will deploy from the rear bumper, as well as, of course, if we do have a family pack, we do have air suspension on the car as well. So we can lower or raise the vehicle. You'll see the towbar that's popped out. But if we take a little look to the inside of the car, what goes really well with Borasco, very popular, is that full light interior. Now, looks absolutely stunning, particularly with it being one of our demonstrator vehicles. It's had a really good start to life. Meridian speakers in the car, which sound absolutely fantastic, and lots of legroom for them rear passengers. Blind spot monitoring, in-nose mirrors, memory functionality on both sides, and an electrically adjustable steering wheel, and that all saves with the memory. Now again, I'll say the word demonstrator again, 3,500 miles on this car, or 3,579 miles at the time of recording. We've got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, auto lights and wipers, and a really good digital dashboard where we can see our navigation, see what we're listening to. That's fully customizable on there as well. Now, with it being a 26 model year of Defender, slight differences in the headlights and the tail lights, but also notably the infotainment screen. So really huge screen. That's where we'll see our full 3D camera right round the car, all of our towing options as well, navigation, media functionality. The nice things like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto that we do get as standard on the vehicle as well. But underneath, of course, it is an auto, air suspension controls, which we mentioned at the back, dual zone climate control, cooling seats as well as heated, so really nice whether it be the summer or the winter months. Heated windscreen, twin cup holders, a little bit of storage space in between those two front seats as well, and nice things like the new and improved wireless device charger, with it being on a slight angle, just charges that little bit better, I find. But if we're looking up ahead, lighter headlining, brightens the cabin up, and we do actually have a full sliding panoramic roof, so that one opens right up and makes a huge difference to the space inside the car. So again, this is an ex-demonstrator Defender 110, stunning specification on the vehicle as well. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, or if you'd like to just come down and test drive the car, please do not hesitate to contact us. The number's 01642 644 444. Thank you.